Hello guys, welcome my another video. Last video already I discussed about how to create a registration form in HTML and CSS, and today I will discuss about how to make a registration form in PHP and MySql. Guys, actually this is the sign-in form. You see that if I click here like that, what's the name, like Asad, okay, self username ASAD, okay, then now email asad@gmail.com, and then password, any kinds of password you can type, no problem, like 12345. Then another confirm password 12345. Then click sign up. Already your record has been saved in database. I will check and I will show you this my data already in my database, no problem. So guys, that is the fact, and next tutorial I will make how we will log in by username and by password. Okay, no problem. So firstly, I'm saying that my all kinds of source code for making this table or making this interface, all kinds of source code you can download 100% free from my website link, just see my video description. When you click my link, download source link, then you can see this interface, that is my website interface. Self scroll down, then see view demo. If you click here, then see view demo, and also scroll down, then see source code like that, index, okay, and also the config and also the process. You can copy specifically coding from here, no problem. And also you scroll down, then you can see download source code. I think it's better for you, because when you click download source code, then you can download all kinds of sources with a database as a zip file. It's better for you. Then guys, scroll up, then you can see demo list. If you click here, then see there are a lot of demo in here, a lot of demo, about 30 plus, oh no, already 37. Now I'm discuss about 37, how to make a registration form in PHP and MySql. That's one. You can see view details and view demo from here, no problem. So guys, no more talk, we'll make this registration form. Guys, we know everybody must be, we have to go our local host, then jam, then htd docs. Now I'm making table 14. Okay, that's one. Click here. When you download the source link, you will download this table 40 as a zip file. Okay, when you extract here, then extract this types of file like that, css, image, config, index, process, and that is the database. Okay, that's guys, that is the peak. You can change your background pic, no problem. So now I am open all kinds of codes in here, self, okay, then open. Please don't skip. That is the database, you know that, then index, then process, then config. Main fact is index, sorry, database, because must be, you have to find out your database folder name. You can see database folder name is code hunter demo, guys, code hunter demo. And also must be, you have to find your table name. My table name is table 40. You see that there are a lot of places in table 40. So firstly you should find out database name, database folder name, code hunter demo. Code hunter demo, where is my code hunter demo? Okay, now I'm open my local host PHP admin, that is the local host PHP admin. I'm click, okay, you can see the my PHP admin, that is code hunter demo, my folder name, and I'm clicking here. Then guys, scroll down, you can see my table 40. Okay, I'm clicking here, table 40. You can see last name already I am typed Asad, then asad@gmail.com, then that was my password. Guys, that is very interesting things. When you include another one, then automatically your information is input your database. Guys, that's very interesting things. So obviously you have to change your database folder name and also your table name. Okay, then your table automatically connect with your database. Now that is the index. You can change sign up form, that is the title name, you know that you can change from here, no problem. Also that is a process, so no need to change, it's automatically connected, will be connect. And also config, no need to change. Self change your database folder name, self database folder name, you see that code hunter demo. Others no need to change, automatically everything will be connect. So guys, no more talk. If you like this type of video, please like, comment and share with your friends. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment in my comment box. So no more today. Thank you very much.